Hey Tubes, here's my new compressor. It's a 5-horse, 80-gallon Champion Centurion 2. I picked it up because my old one here is actually 2-stage too. Did I mention it was a 2-stage? My old one here is, I mean, it worked, you know, it was in great shape and stuff like that, but it's one of these wheelless things. And man, it was just so loud. So I give that to Racer. He's got better ears than me.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're going to check it with a decibel meter just for fun. What do you got there? All right. Tilt it right there. It's good. Tilt it down a little bit. The other way. There you go. Yeah. Normal speaking voice, you can see, is around 60, 65, around there or so. All right. Now we'll see what this thing is. Blow some air out of that. Oh, Racer, you don't have the air hose hooked up.
Want to do this one?
Yeah. Pop that off. There we go. Empty it out a little bit. Put it down so it's the noise in. There you go. Hold on, Max. Alright, what do you got there?
105.
Almost 106. Wow. What'd you say?
Huh?
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 Alright, let's try the Centurion. I mean, that's deafening. Like I say, that was a good compressor, but my God, who needs all that noise? Takes a long time to empty this one. Alright, we're almost getting there. I think this one kicks on around 135 or so. Alright. What we got, Racer? Flip it over this way a little bit. Tilt it up. There you go. Alright, so
Every time you talk, it's
right, that's us talking. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Get close up on it. Close it down. So it's still a lot quieter. Too much tilt, buddy. There you go, perfect. Put on max, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna jump or whatever.
Ah, yeah.
It's around like 85.
You know what it is? It's the rattling that is the high pitch.
Seems to be jumping between like 85.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. So it's a lot quieter. That's what we're looking for. And plus, it doesn't run as long. That thing's going to shut off in a minute or so. Look at that.
You spoke too soon.
Yeah. So it fills up faster. It don't empty as quick. And it's a whole lot quieter, so.
Our ears are gonna last a little longer.
Well, mine will, because you're going to take that one home with you there, buddy.
Huh?
Good luck with it. All right. We thought that would be interesting. But this served me well. I think I had this 17 years or something. You know? I had a real good one before this one, but I got rid of it. I'm sorry I ever got rid of it. But it'll go to some good use. All right. Say goodbye to Tubes there.
See you, Tubes.
All righty.